Yeah, it's alive. What's up, YouTube? It is March, believe it or not. So I rode in January, February, and March. Didn't do any video on the bike today, but got her out. It is beautiful, crazy 14 degrees Celsius here in Calgary, and bike's running good. Had the battery charging, of course, all winter. I've had it out about once a month, and so no problem starting her up. Just needed to turn over. Did a little cleaning up on my panels. Had all kinds of scars on here from my luggage. Scars, battle scars. This is what happened from riding, well, probably 2,000 kilometers with my saddlebags on. The pads on the saddlebags are rubbing the plastic. So let's see if we can clean this off. Here's my secret sauce. Windex, Mr. Clean White Eraser, and a scratch-free scrub brush. Let's try it. Not perfect, but definitely better. But this is the worst side. All right, let's try this side. Nice. Thanks, Mr. Clean. And just wanted to do a little run just because. It's supposed to snow in 2 days, so they'll be short-lived. But just wanted to say hi. Hope everyone's doing well out there. World's in a little bit of chaos right now, but moto season is coming, and so we're all going to forget about all that stuff and get out for a ride. Hope you all having a great winter, and we'll see you all again soon. In Calgary, if you don't know, we get these crazy warm spells. We could be done snow. March is pretty snowy, but April is riding season for sure by the end of April. So let's get on it. Lots of work to do. And the clock is ticking on this beast. Street Fighter V2 coming at you soon. Wait for it.